Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most widely celebrated festivals across India, especially in Maharashtra and Karnataka. Here's enlisting three of the most popular bhog or prasadam recipes offered to Lord Ganesha. Starting with Motichur Laddu or Bundi Laddu. Lord Ganesha is believed to be very fond of laddus. Motichur Laddu or Bundi Laddu is one of the most common ones offered to him in his bhog. This is made of bundi, small round deep fried balls made from besan and rava, and is soaked in saffron flavored sugar syrup, thereafter formed into round shaped balls called laddus. The word motichur literally translates to crushed pearls. So, if the size of the bundi is tiny or pearl sized, you can refer to it as the perfect motichur laddu, and it comes out best with a special type of perforated spoon called bundi jhara. Keep watching this video till the end. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Festival is incomplete without a host of delectable dishes, and Vinayak Chaturthi, or commonly called Ganesh Chaturthi, is no different. Presenting Kajjikayalu or Rava Karanji. This is a crisp, flaky fried sweet dish with a sweet, flavorful coconut and dry fruit stuffing inside it, and is a must-have snack for festivals across India. In Hindi, it's called Gujia. Ganesh Chaturthi is a 10-day-long Hindu festival beginning on the 4th day or Chaturthi of the month of Bhadrapada, that is, mid of August and September, according to English calendar, and is celebrated in the honor of Lord Ganesha's birthday. Lord Ganesha is known to bring good fortune, wealth, and prosperity to all. If you have liked watching this video till this point, please give a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to my channel, as it gives me a lot of motivation to bring forward more lovely stuff in front of you all. This is a bit long video, so grab a cup of tea and keep watching. Please try this at your home on the upcoming special occasion of Ganesh Puja or any day you may like. And don't forget to let me know how it turned out for you. Your comments really mean a lot to me, so please provide your feedback in the comment section below. Also, I've linked my other videos in the description, so you may watch them if you wish to and give me your suggestions. Thank you for staying with me till this point. This is the delicious modak and is considered to be one of Ganpati Bappa's most favorite sweets. This is an Indian sweet dish and you can refer it as steamed dumplings made with rice flour dough and stuffed with a filling of coconut and jaggery. I'm sure you'll like this. you for staying with me throughout the video, and don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it to stay tuned to all new recipes that I keep sharing here. Hope you like them. Thank you.